Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily restore the steering wheel and pedal settings to default on your HORI Track Control System. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the HORI Track Control System wheel in the HORI Device Manager Volume 2. There's a tutorial on our channel on how to download the specific app. So click on it. Now here, click Restore to Default. Do not click on any of those options. Click Restore to Default, click OK, and you should be all done. As you guys can see here, the settings are restarted. Now, same goes for the pedals. So that's basically it. I hope this quick video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.